automotive design comes alive. Today, we're diving deep into something truly special, something bold, futuristic, and unapologetically aggressive. This is not just another car. This is a statement on wheels. This is the Aurex 7. From the very first glance, the Aurex 7 commands attention. It doesn't ask for it, it takes it. The design language speaks of confidence, innovation, and a refusal to blend in. Every curve, every line, every surface has a purpose. This car looks like it was pulled straight out of tomorrow and dropped onto today's roads. The stance is wide, low, and powerful, giving it a planted presence that instantly tells you this machine is built for dominance. The exterior finish of the Aurex 7 is where art meets engineering. The polished, high-gloss surface reflects light in a way that feels almost liquid, changing character depending on the angle and environment. In motion, it looks alive. Even when standing still, it feels fast. The body panels flow seamlessly into one another, creating a cohesive silhouette that feels both aggressive and refined. This is not overdesign, this is precision. One of the most striking elements is the ultra-wide body kit. This isn't subtle, and it's not meant to be. The exaggerated fender flares stretch outward dramatically, giving the Aurex 7 a muscular, almost surreal appearance. It looks like it's hugging the road, ready to unleash raw power at any moment. The widened track doesn't just enhance aesthetics, it hints at superior handling and stability, especially at high speeds. Move your eyes to the rear, and the Aurex 7 continues to impress. The back design is bold and futuristic, dominated by a sculpted bumper that looks engineered to channel airflow with precision. The rear diffuser integrates seamlessly, reinforcing the performance-focused DNA of the car. Slim, sharp LED tail lights cut through the design, giving the Aurex 7 a distinctive nighttime signature that's instantly recognizable. At the center of the rear, the Aurex 7 logo sits proudly, a symbol of innovation and identity. This isn't just branding, it's a badge of intent. Below it, the custom license plate bearing the name, Aurex 7, adds a final touch of exclusivity, reminding you that this is not a mass-produced machine. This is a concept that represents vision, ambition, and the future. Now let's step inside, because the interior of the Aurex 7 is where technology and luxury collide. The cabin is designed around the driver, creating an immersive experience that feels more like a cockpit than a traditional car interior. Every control is intuitively placed, every surface carefully crafted to enhance comfort and engagement. Premium materials dominate the interior. Soft touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, and futuristic textures work together to create an atmosphere of modern luxury. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and performance, offering strong lateral support while remaining comfortable enough for long drives. This is a space designed for people who love driving. The digital dashboard is a centerpiece of the Aurex 7 interior. High-resolution displays provide all essential information with crystal clarity, from speed and performance data to navigation and vehicle diagnostics. The interface feels responsive and clean, minimizing distractions while maximizing control. Ambient lighting subtly illuminates the cabin, adding depth and mood, especially during night drives. Technology in the Aurex 7 isn't just about screens. It's about integration. Advanced driver assistance systems work quietly in the background, enhancing safety without taking away the thrill of driving. Intelligent systems monitor road conditions, optimize performance, and adapt to driving styles, making every journey smoother and more engaging. Under the skin, the Aurex 7 is imagined as a performance-focused powerhouse. While exact specifications remain conceptual, everything about its design suggests serious capability. A low center of gravity, wide stance, and aerodynamic bodywork all point toward exceptional handling. This is a car built to corner hard, accelerate aggressively, and remain composed under pressure. The Aurex 7 represents more than just speed or luxury. It represents a philosophy, a belief that cars should evoke emotion, spark imagination, and push boundaries. In a world where many vehicles start to look the same, the Aurex 7 dares to be different. It doesn't follow trends, it creates its own path. What makes the Aurex 7 truly exciting is the story it tells. It's a glimpse into what's possible when designers and engineers are allowed to dream without limits. It's a vision of future mobility that doesn't sacrifice excitement for efficiency or style for practicality. It shows that the future of cars can still be thrilling. Imagine seeing the Aurex 7 on the road. Heads turn, conversations stop, phones come out. It's the kind of car that creates moments, that becomes the highlight of any street or show it appears on. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. For enthusiasts, the Aurex 7 represents hope. Hope that the automotive world will continue to innovate, to take risks, and to build machines that make us feel something. For designers, it's inspiration. For drivers, it's a dream waiting to become reality. As we look ahead, concepts like the Aurex 7 remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. The sound of ambition, the shape of speed, and the promise of freedom all wrapped into one bold vision. Whether it ever reaches production or remains a concept, its impact is undeniable. Here at Down Under Motors, we celebrate ideas like the Aurex 7 because they push the industry forward. They challenge norms and redefine expectations. And most importantly, they keep the spirit of driving alive. If you enjoyed exploring the Aurex 7 with us, make sure you stay connected for more deep dives into the world of performance, design, and future mobility. Because the road ahead is exciting, and we're just getting started.